How to clear all your search history on YouTube app in one click. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear your search history easy and fast on YouTube. So first thing, go to YouTube app. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. After you click on your profile picture, it will take you to this page. Now go down and click on settings. After you click on settings, now go to history and privacy, and here you go. Now right here you will find clear search history. Easy, click on it and click clear search history. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.